$43,000. It's all gone. Stephanie, his business partner. Why is her name on Tyler's account? For the boutique lease, babe. He was writing his essays. We were touring campuses, and Dan was paying for her life. For us, babe. Hi, Richard. I need you at dinner tonight. 6 o'clock. It's about Tyler's account. Don't tell Dan I called. So, did you get the deposit wired this morning? Northwestern's gonna be lucky to have you. Dad? I tried. The account balance is 0. I thought you said it was all set. That's gotta be a bank error. I'll call them tomorrow. It's not a bank error. Read the transfer history, Tyler. Out loud. January 12th, $4,200. Memo. For the boutique lease, babe. March 3rd, $3,800. Memo. Car down payment. Grace, stop this. Let me explain. Sit down. Tyler, keep reading. June 14th, $8,000. Memo. For us, babe, my lawyer has every screenshot. The police report for fraud is filed. You stole your son's future to pay for her. You're done.